I have one quote, Hindi quote. मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Good morning, everyone. Today we are having a dreamer with us. She is none other than Monica. And for taking her interview, we are having that personality who loves to help people, who loves to grow others, who's not working for herself only, who is working for others as well. She is soft skills trainer. She is none other than DTM Richa.
Thanks a lot, Shubham, and most welcome, Monica, who is actually a dreamer. So, Monica, let's start with the first question. Do you believe in dreams? And if yes, then why should we believe in dreams? Tell us.
Yes, ma'am. I do believe in dreams because whatever we want to become or whatever we want to see, actually we should live in. We should live in reality, right? So in reality, whatever we think, whatever we wish, it couldn't come always. But when it comes to dreams, we can dream. So, but when we dream the things, we have to do harder. We have to strive for that. When we strive for that, our dreams will come definitely true. So I believe in dreams.
Absolutely. And you should keep chasing your dreams, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what do you feel is executive trainer, and what is the job profile as an executive trainer? Please tell us.
Yes, ma'am. My job profile uh, is to train the students in verbal domain. So whatever the verbal domain, the questions which comes under verbal domain, I should train them.
Okay.
Even in
So is it like
skills.
aptitude trainer?
No, ma'am. Verbal trainer.
Okay. So English verbal. Good. So are you taking care of the first years or the final year?
I am not yet joined, ma'am.
You will be joining.
I will be joining.
When?
I don't know the correct joining date, but because of this circumstances, the situation makes me delay.
So my advice is just be very careful. Whatever communication you have with these people, it should be via an email, because email is the only formal mode of communication. Don't just rely on any WhatsApp message or any call. Okay, and be very particular, be very specific about what is the job for day, what is the profile. Okay, now if given a chance to work in whatever area and whatever field you want to pursue, what would be the first salary that you would like to have?
As I'm a fresher, I don't have any experience in training the students, and this is my first career step. I expect a range from 15 to 20 or 10 to 15. That's it.
Okay, it's good to hear this answer, but to be honest, if actually in the main interview you will be asked this question, so as a fresher, your answer should be, I would appreciate if you tell me. Okay, I would appreciate if you tell me the salary. But what I'm looking for is learning, because as a fresher, you don't have any kind of experience. So if you will just speak out a particular figure, that may show that you have an attitude and that may have some negative impact. Okay, so keep it in mind. Okay, now as a trainer, what do you feel that a person should possess, the 3 traits of a trainer?
The trainer should always be learning first. If the trainer learns, then that trainer able to train the others. And next, the confidence. Whatever he trains, that person should train with confidence. And smile. That trainer should always maintain the smile and make others comfort.
Very good.
I think.
And how will you handle the students who are not attentive in a classroom? What do you feel we should do as a trainer?
We have to The thing is, we have to take care of them, and we have to know what the what the present mindset is the person with. If he is not able to listen the class, we have to go for some activities like storytelling or whatever the activities that activities related to the particular domain.
Absolutely. You are absolutely right. We should always engage the students so that they are attentive and enjoying our session. Well, we have Shubham waiting to ask you more questions. So over to Shubham.
Hello, ma'am. So
Hello.
my first question is, don't you consider in the like there is Indian psyche and Indian parents saying like, why are you doing these soft skill? What is that verbal speaking will be giving you? Like my mother only, she was saying that you are going for Toastmasters, go and study, right? So will there be any problem regarding as a verbal trainer for you? Because this is a very much Indian mindset.
Yes. Actually, to say, my mother is a teacher. She is an employee. And when she is an employee, she also thinks that her daughter should be an employee first. Later, she is a government employee. So she thinks that I should be settled in a government. And yes, I got many troubles in this. She told that, okay, leave this. You just prepare for bank exams, RRB, or any government sort of examinations. But I told that there's a career in this. It's my dream job. I would like to become a trainer. I would like to see myself on the dais as a trainer. So I convinced her, whatever it may be. I convinced her, and later I took the step.
That's awesome. I like my best wishes to you that you will be a very good trainer and will be
Thank
successful in
you.
life. So thank you like giving your time to us. Over to you, Richa ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Monica, for giving us your valuable time and for being here with us. So I'm sure that you are going to help a lot of students, and one day even you will be a mentor like me. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving valuable suggestions to me, especially in the in the salary.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable
Take it.
time and
Bye.